Verifying your Zoom account is an important step to ensure security and access to all features. Follow these steps to successfully verify your account. Step 1. Access your email. Check the email address associated with your Zoom account. Look for a verification email from Zoom in your inbox or spam folder. Step 2. Open the verification email. Once you find the email, open it and read the instructions carefully. There should be a link or button to verify your account. Step 3. Click the verification link. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you to the Zoom website. Step 4. Log into your account. If prompted, enter your Zoom account credentials, email, and password to log in. This step may not be necessary if you are already logged in. Step 5. Confirm verification. After clicking the link and logging in, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been verified. If not, follow any additional instructions provided. Once you have completed these steps, your Zoom account will be verified, allowing you to access all features and functionalities.